So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, connection lost mid-response is one of the most annoying errors. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix this issue, how to fix this connection lost out of nowhere in Perplexity AI, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So the number one option is just wait and retry. According to the Perplexity's official support and many other forums, most connection issues resolve within 30 minutes to a few hours. Sometimes the server just needs a small moment. Don't spam requests, that only makes it super worse. And make sure to check the server status before troubleshooting your own setup. Visit status.perplexity.com. If there is an active incident, the problem is totally on Perplexity's end. Just wait, and they are already working on it. Try also to refresh your session. A stale session can cause connection drops. On browser, press Ctrl plus F5. I'm talking about Windows, but on Mac you can press Command plus Shift plus R. Then force quit the app and relaunch if you are on mobile. As a pro tip, you can log out and log back in to start a fresh session as well. From here, go all the way to your profile settings, then tap Log Out. Then try to disable any VPNs if you are using any. You know the drill by now, since VPNs and Perplexities don't always play nicely together. Disable your VPN temporarily and test. If the connection stabilizes, you have found the culprit. Then also check your internet stability. Connection lost errors often mean your internet is dropping packets. Toggle airplane mode on and off and restart your router. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or whatever. Basically source of connection. That's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.